Hello children, this is Gandhali teacher from Vision English Medium School, Narhe. I hope you all are doing well, following all the safety precautions and keeping yourselves fit. In the face of the current pandemic, it is important to maintain hygiene and take utmost care while staying safe, breaking the chain and keeping up your spirits. Health not only comes from food, but it also comes from happiness and from inculcating good habits. Today, we are going to talk about one such good habit, which is reading. Children, 15th of October marks the birth anniversary of our very own missile man of India, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. He was one among those legends who have helped India make a mark in the global scenario. APJ Abdul Kalam was a man of many virtues: intelligence, that is, brilliance of mind, perseverance, focused efforts, a visionary, thinking ahead of his time, and most important of all, a great human being. Today, we at Maharshi Karve Stri Shikshan Sanstha's Vision English Medium School wish to pay a tribute to the memory of this talented personality by celebrating this day as Reading Day. It is said in Sanskrit, Sa Vidya Ya Muktaye, meaning knowledge alone liberates. To explain this further, I would say that knowledge often comes from information and opens our mind to new possibilities. Knowledge doesn't alone originate from listening or speaking, but it is attained from reading too. Reading builds up vocabulary, strengthens the brain, stimulates, that is, increases the thinking capability, reasoning ability, reduces stress, and calms the mind. Books are the best friends one can have. They are a man's greatest teacher, like experience. Books inspire us, help us to overcome challenges, overpower difficulties by giving wings to our imagination. Reading is to mind what exercise is to body. And what could be more delightful than reading in the company of our dear ones? A pleasure indeed. So, I take this privilege of reading to you, all my beloved children. Let's read something interesting today. Let us add something in our collection of good thoughts. Once upon a time, a daughter complained to her father that her life was miserable. She had only troubles, and that she didn't know how she was going to make it through. She was tired of fighting and struggling all the time. It seemed that just as one problem was solved, another one soon followed. Her father, a chef, took her to the kitchen. He filled 3 pots with water and placed each one on fire. Once the 3 pots began to boil, he placed potatoes in one pot, eggs in the second pot, and coffee beans in the third pot. He then let them sit and boil without saying a word to his daughter. The daughter waited impatiently, wondering what he was doing. After 20 minutes, he turned off the burners. He took the potatoes out of the pot and placed them in a bowl. He pulled the eggs out and placed them in another bowl. He then ladled the coffee out and placed it in a cup. Turning to his daughter, he asked, "What do you see?" She replied hastily, "Potatoes, eggs, and coffee." "Look closer," he said, and touched the potatoes. She did and noticed that they were soft. He then asked her to take an egg and break it. After pulling off the shell, she observed the hard boiled egg. Finally, he asked her to sip the coffee. Its rich aroma brought a smile to her face. Father, what does this mean? She asked. He then explained that the potatoes, the eggs, and coffee beans had each faced the same adversity, that is, the same trouble, the boiling water. However, each one reacted differently. The potato went in strong and hard and unrelenting, but in the boiling water it became soft and weak. The egg was fragile. It could break easily with the thin outer shell protecting its liquid interior inside it until it was put in the boiling water. The boiling water caused the inside of the egg to become hard. However, the coffee beans were unique. After they were exposed to the boiling water, they changed the water and created something new. Daughter, he asked, which one are you? When adversity knocks on your door, how do you respond? Are you a potato, an egg, or a coffee bean? The moral of the story, children, is that in life, things happen around us, things happen to us. But the only thing that truly matters is how you choose to react to it and what you make out of it. Life is all about learning, adopting, and converting all the struggles that we experience into something positive. Children, reading is one of the most fundamental skills a person needs to succeed in life, enhance his personality, and for the overall development. Let us set a goal to read at least a few pages every day. Let us also pledge to read actively, that is, think and focus on the reading content. I'm sure all of you must be motivated to read every day and would be glad to see it develop into a habit. That's all from me for today, children. Stay at home, stay safe, take care. Thank you.